Okay, so today we're gonna learn about WE and R keys in Unity, and also how we can zoom in and zoom out the scene, how we alt left click, rotate around the scene. First, let's select an object where we have already selected here. Press W on the keyboard, and we see arrows where it's pointing what direction you want to move your object. You want to place your object somewhere closer by the house or closer by this van. Up. E key, when we press E key, it's for rotation, so we can rotate our object. R key is for scale, so if we want to make our object larger, click in the middle and hold. Just move your mouse. We want to rotate around the scene, we hold Alt, and with left click on the mouse we just rotate. Also, we use the middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so these are the basic hotkeys we need to know in Unity.